been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I've just come in from out of the cold, and no guesses where I've been for the last hour and a half. So I thought today I would show you what I eat in a given day. I'm on a ketogenic diet, as you know, if you've looked and watched some of my previous videos. So today I thought I would show you how I prepare my food for the day and what I eat for the day on a regular basis. So if you're interested to see what this particular diet looks like, please keep watching. So that's the coffee flavour I'm having. Sunflower seeds, tablespoon of unsalted peanuts given, 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, maybe about a tablespoon. So this is my breakfast. Low carb, high fat, ketogenic breakfast, and full of fiber, great nutrients, good fats that'll keep me satiated throughout the day. So I basically only have 2 meals a day, breakfast being one of them, which is my post-workout meal. And it's now 7:30 a.m. in the morning, so I'm gonna have my second and last meal before 8:30 a.m. today. And then what I basically do is I fast from 8:30 in the morning until about this time the next day. So basically I do an intermittent fast where you're not feeding your body for at least a good 19, sometimes 20 hours. And that way the insulin level is kept at a very low level. You can then tap into the reserved store fats that it already has. And you don't have any hunger. So you just don't eat for the sake of eating. You eat when you feel hungry. And this kind of food in the morning, after I finish this, round about, like I said, around about 8:30, I'll have some salmon and some greens and I'll be good to go. So I'll catch you later. I'll finish my breakfast. It's so yummy. There you have it, everybody. My pan-fried salmon on some wilted spinach, which I'm about to have now at 8:30 in the morning. So I'm eating my fish and I'm eating my spinach, which is all very healthy food, and that'll be it for the day. So that's it for today, everybody. As you can see, my kitchen's in an absolute mess. I've got to get to it and clean it all up. So on that note, if you are new to my channel and you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Gotta go. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.